Hey guys, it's Kay from TechFigure. Today I'm going to be looking at the Mi A2 Lite, the smaller brother of the Mi A2. Okay, so the Mi A2 Lite comes with some pretty impressive spec. So it features a 5.8 Full HD IPS display, a 4000 mAh high capacity battery with a 12 plus 5 megapixel AI dual backward facing camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. And last but not least, the Android OS, which means you'll be first to get the Android upgrades. Also, love it or hate it, the also familiar notch of 2018. Okay, let's get this puppy open. As always from Xiaomi, the phone comes very well packed. Very Apple-like, you could say. And here it is in all its Mi gloriness. Okay, before we take a look at the phone, let's have a look what else is in the box. Now, I wish other manufacturers would do this. It looks like we've got a gel case here. I'm all in favour of free stuff. And this one feels very premium to the touch. We've got the standard plug with the pull-out third pin, which all manufacturers seem to be doing now. This is at 2 amp output, so it should give you plenty of juice. And lastly, we have a USB cable to micro USB. Sadly, no USB-C here. Oh, and not forgetting the SIM card ejector tool. So taking a quick look at all the hardware we get in the box, I think that's a pretty picture. Powering up, we have the Android One logo. I must say this IPS screen looks absolutely gorgeous. We've got the front facing 5 megapixel camera and speaker. On the left side we've got the SIM card holder. On the back we've got the fingerprint sensor and the 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel AI dual camera with flash. On the right side we've got the power button and the volume rocker button. Okay, on the bottom we've got the dual speakers and the micro USB charger. On the top we've got a headphone jack, an infrared blaster and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. So for me the fingerprint sensor is in the ideal location for my hands and is very responsive to touch. The camera feature on this is great. It's got all your different portrait settings for background blur if we want it. We're getting the 5 plus 12 megapixel rear cameras. Tap to focus is very quick. Overall, I'm impressed with the Xiaomi A2 Lite's cameras. Okay, a quick comparison with the Xiaomi and the Samsung S8. The overall dimensions of the Xiaomi are bigger, with it being thicker, wider and longer. It's also slightly heavier than the Samsung S8. This is expected as you're paying a premium price for the S8. Okay, here comes a quick demo of the video and sound. 40 by 2160 4K Ultra HD panel. Now this is ports and the remaining USB 2 port. Anyway, there are 2 speakers on the back and they actually sound much better than I thought they would. When you're using the Xiaomi S8, you wouldn't know it's budget priced. Navigating around the phone is smooth, there's no judder, even buttery smooth some might say. This is partly due to it having the Android operating system installed on it, with no skins whatsoever. So overall the A2 Lite is a great little package, with a great camera and a massive battery of 4000 mAh. And the Android One OS makes this phone a pleasure to use. So currently it's available for £179, so if you want to get your hands on it, I've left links down below. If you like this video, please give us a like. If you really liked it, give us a subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.